how Robin fell in love with the man in that chair. Outside of that, Lauren and Ray playing sports is how she spent most of her days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and she was hanging out with friends outside school when a tall, blonde guy got all up in her face. Walked up and said, "Hey, my name's Chase." So we're like, "Ha!" You say that. "Hi, my name is..." "What? My name is..." "Who?" "My name's Frickin' Slim Robin." So there she was, just hanging out with friends, singing, "Ooh, did-it-did-it-dum-did-it-doo. This is where our story begins." Singing, "Ooh, did-it-did-it-dum-did-it-doo." She saw him there. She saw him there with his long blonde hair. So we're like, she likes blonde hair, but you cannot lie. You others can't deny. When a guy walks in with a name like Chase and good luck in her face, she gets strong. So they started dating. Yes, they started dating. They were not faking or just imitating. They started claiming that they're in love, they're in love, they're in love. Without each other, they're incomplete. So they bought a house. The sign said so. Yeah, it's a bungalow. Yeah, it is one to show. Yeah, it is everything they need for their family to grow. Everybody, it's time to party. Yeah, 'cause Chase and Robbie needed to move out. So they bought a house. Then one day they went for a walk. Robbie thought it was just too tall, but before she knew it, Chase was on his knees, saying, "Marry me, please." So Robbie, say yes. Answer the question. Say yes. She said yes. Now they're married, baby. Dun 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 dun. Woo! They're married, baby. Dun 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 dun. Woo! Robin, we say bye 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 bye. Now I'm a McEwen. Don't worry, we are not ruined. A great big love is brewing. So smell your later, saying bye bye bye